Hello everyone, my name is Biniam. I have more than 5 years experience on mathematics. Although it's my funny subject, my favorite subject is maths and other science. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment to support my journey. Also for you, I think it is good maths and also science is funny for you. I give a bit of information about science. Today we are going to see these two questions. We do it together. It's very easy, simple, and not difficulty. It's not difficult. It's funny, just for funny. Think like this. The question is 3x plus 1 over 4 is equals to 5. How much the value of x? Solve the value of x. The second question is 4 in the bracket of m minus 1 is equals to 4. What is the value of m? The question is this one. It's easy, brother. Let's do it together. First, we use this one. 3x plus 1 is over 4 means 3x plus 1 over 4 is equals to, if under 1 there is 1 under 5. After that, we multiply cross multiplication. We use 1 times 3x plus 1 is 3x plus 1. 5 times 4 means 20. Yeah, we simply cross multiply. 5 by 4, 3x plus 1 over, and under 5 there is a 1. 3x plus 1 times 1 means 3x plus 1. After that, we got this one. Then we collect the numbers to the numbers. 20, when we transfer this one, minus 1. 3x is equals to how much? 19. After that, over 3, over 3. X is left alone. We got 19 over 3. The value of x is this one, 19 over 3. The second is solve the value of m. Solve m. The second question is this one. Our question is 4 over 4m minus 1 is equals to 4. M minus 1 in the bracket. We distribute 4 to in this bracket. 4 times m means 4m. 4 times minus 1 means 4. Is equals to 4. This 4 is stand for these variables and numbers in this bracket. It's not stand for this one. It is stand for this, only this one. After that, 4m is equals to 4. When we transfer this one, positive 4. 4m is equals to 4 plus 4 means 8 over 4 because we are finding the value of m. M is left alone. 8 divided by 4 means 2. How much the value of m is? 2. It's very easy. Thank you with together. Thank you with stay with me. Subscribe, share, like, comment. support my journey. One subscription means it is a world for me.